Welcome, here I've got OPPO A53 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it we get access to 3 other buttons we can manage. Now let's pick this one from the right so we can open the advanced camera settings here, and let's focus on the general settings. Here we have the flip selfie option, so by using this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off. This is the camera mirror effect here at this camera. And also remember that this option works only when we use the front camera. And this is how to use this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.